relationships or vampires. It's about singing. Eyewitness News reporter Sabrina Rodriguez shows us how Glee is having an impact on local choirs. Yes, whether it's the music, the characters, or just the fun, there are a lot of people who are now calling themselves Gleeks. And it turns out a lot of local choirs are also feeling the Glee.
A little rounder.
Miss McGinnis!
Whether it's middle school,
There's Chris!
or high school, there's one thing choirs have in common. Singing.
There's Chris!
I love singing.
Performing. I like being up in front of the people.
It's kind of fun to be able to sing every day. Choir is where my heart is.
And while these performers have no problem singing the
There's
praises of
Chris again!
choir, turns out there's a whole new audience that's starting to feel the love.
Fox Wednesday. You have to pull out all the stops.
The new TV show Glee, which follows the ups and downs of a high school show choir, has been a hit in more ways than one.
I have record numbers
There's
in choir
Cece.
this year. I have
Cece
I think it's 148 kids in choir, and the largest one I've had this year is like 105, maybe 110.
Erin McGinnis, Chipman Junior High's vocal music director, says the show has really spiked interest in singing for people of all ages.
I'm so much shorter than you. I'm boys actually that like Glee, and that have active choir and everything like that.
Turns out, while the show is dramatized, there are quite a few parallels to real life.
For me, like what's similar is that, I just love to sing.
And you get to dance and sing, and it's nerve-wracking, yeah, but it's really fun altogether.
I think it is fairly true to life in that there's a lot of work to it.
But Glee's biggest likeness is how it shows that choir is made up of very
There's
different
Cece!
people.
In the background, yeah, it was.
There are some people who like do musicals, there are people who are in forensics, there are people who come to school maybe half the time. It's a lot of people you wouldn't really